request all the honorable members to kindly return to their seat and allow the business to go ahead. Kindly please go back to your seats. Kiran Rijiju ji.
बिल का जेपीसी का टाइम एक्सटेंशन के लिए प्रस्ताव मूव किया तो भी खुद कांग्रेस पार्टी ये लोग हंगामा कर रहे हैं। गलत बात है सर, मैं इसका भी निंदा करता हूँ।
Honorable members, this chamber is more than just a house of debate. Our national spirit has to echo from here. Parliamentary disruption is not remedy, it's a malady. It weakens our foundation. It slides parliament into irrelevance. We must continue to have our relevance.
सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Few notices of adjournment motion has been received on different subjects. Honorable Speaker has disallowed all the notices of adjournment motion. Item number 3, Sri Suresh Gopi ji.
Respected Speaker, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay the papers on the table of the House listed against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business. Thank you, sir.
माननीय मंत्री जी. Item number 4, Sri Thokan Sahu ji.
महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 4 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध कागजातों की एक प्रति हिंदी व अंग्रेजी सभापटल पर रखता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Item number 4, Sri Kiran Rijiju ji. Item number 5.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to present the 4th report of the Business Advisory Committee.
Item number 6, Sri V. Somana ji.
With your kind permission, I make a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendation contained in the 21st report and further action taken report contained in the 28th report of the Standing Committee on Water Resources 2022-23 on demand for grant 23-24 of Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation, Ministry of Jal Shakti. Thank you, sir.
Item number 7, Sri Jagdambika Pal ji. Sri Jagdambika Pal ji.
Sir, I beg to move that this House do extend time for the presentation of the report of the Joint Committee on the Work Amendment Bill 2024 up to the last date of the budget session 2025. Thank you. Support to you.
The question is that motion may be adopted. Those in favor may say A. Those who may say against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Honorable members who have been permitted to raise matters under Rule 377 today may personally hand over approved text of the matter at the table immediately. I request all the honorable members to kindly return to their seat and allow the business to go ahead. दिनांक 29 नवंबर 2024 को प्रातः 11 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित किया जाता है।
सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Would you please? May I have some say? Ram Gopal ji? Take your seat. Honorable members, please, nothing is going on record. If you can't hear your chairman, nothing can go on record. Hear the chairman first. I have an appeal to make. Nothing is going on record except what I will say. No. Honorable members, take your seat. Nothing has been go record. Honorable members, yesterday marked a historic milestone, the beginning of the final quarter century before our constitution turns 100. This was a moment for our House of Elders, guided by the spirit of nationalism, to send a powerful message of hope to 1.4 billion people, reaffirming our commitment to their dreams and aspirations and our journey towards Viksit Bharat 2047. It is with deep concern, I must say, we missed the historic opportunity where there should have been productive dialogue, constructive engagement, echoing the collective aspirations of our people. We fell short of their expectations. Honorable members, this chamber is more than just a house of debate. Our national spirit has to echo from here. Parliamentary disruption is not remedy, it's a malady. It weakens our foundation. It slides Parliament into irrelevance. We must continue to have our relevance. Honorable members, when we engage in this kind of conduct, we deviate from constitutional ordainment. We show our back to our duties. If Parliament strays from its constitutional duty to represent people's hopes and aspirations, it is our duty to nurture nationalism, further democracy. I urge you all to embrace the spirit of meaningful dialogue. Let us return to tradition of thoughtful discussion. Honorable members, I plead with you, I request you for cooperation. Allow me to take agenda of the day. Be assured you shall have opportunity to raise all issues. Parliament is a platform for productive discussion. Every time is no. Question hour is important. I have already taken a call. He was not present. No, Honorable LOP was not there. Please make him aware of my ruling. I have already declined having taken a view. I cannot allow this House to get into irrelevance. We should not dishonor the spirit of those who gave us this constitution. No. There is no reason for us not to proceed with the House. Sorry. The House stands adjourned to meet at 11 a.m. on Friday, the 29th November 2024.